Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today is a really exciting vlog. I'm going to take you around my favorite plant stores in Toronto. There are so many. If you don't live in Toronto, I hope that you just sit back and relax and watch us shop for plants, because honestly, what is better than that? Not a lot of things. And if you do live in Toronto, I hope that this helps you discover some new nurseries or garden centers, smaller independent shops. So yeah, without further ado, let's head into the first plant store. So we're here at the first plant shop. This is called Urban Gardener. It's in the west end of Toronto. And the reason I love this plant store so much is that there's so many cute pots, so many cute plants. It's like a one-stop shop if you're looking for a plant and a cute pot. You guys, look at all these beautiful pots. These pots are stunning. Elena, what's your favorite?
Definitely this one.
It's so cute. Another thing I love about this store is that they always have really interesting plants.
Yes.
Like this one. How cool. So good. Like, that's my dream pot right there. Guys, I love that store so much. And I found this massive plant pot. It's this beautiful pink, and it's by an artist with a store called Common House, and she makes them all handmade. Anyways, I have my eye on that one, but for now we just got this cute little plant baby, a hanging planter. Where are we off to next?
Sheridan Nursery.
Sheridan Nurseries. Oh my gosh, I haven't been there in so long. So now we're going to a nursery, which is a bigger plant store. Obviously, it's a nursery. And they also sell some amazing decor as well. So let's go see what we can find. We're here, and there's so many plants. So Sheridan Nurseries has obviously a nursery filled with plants, but then they also have so many fun outdoor accessories and pots. So let's see what we can find. Look at those cacti. So many succulents. Little baby cacti. Okay guys, and then this is the nursery outside. So these are all the outdoor plants. There's so many. Are you gonna buy a lemon tree? Maybe. Elena's been looking for a lemon tree since the winter. Okay, so we're actually shopping for something specific. We're doing a patio makeover tomorrow. So we need 9 plants to put in a hanging planter, and then 1 big outdoor plant. We're gonna get some of these. Look at these fiddly figs. They're so tall. Oranges. Those are so cute. Our cute little citrus. That's made for you. Look at this one. But this fiddly fig though, it's massive. Please let me know in the comments if anyone has any tips on taking care of a fiddly fig. I've killed approximately 4. So yeah, and honestly, any tips would be appreciated. 1, 2. 4, and then I think we need some color for the plant pots. So that's 4. Like, Like, this is cute. Little guy. Ooh, that could be nice for outside.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're good for those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's 9. I really like that. The plant table. But IKEA. That was very successful. Also, they're so nice in there. Everyone is just so kind. Where are we going next? I think Lowe's. Yeah, we're going to Lowe's, do a little detour. I actually will mention that hardware stores sometimes can have really great plants, like tropical plants, like Monstera plants, or ZZ plants for a fraction of the cost as like a nursery. So yeah, so we're gonna stop at Lowe's because we need some large outdoor plants, and then we're gonna keep going. Quick detour from the plant store vlog. We needed to come to the hardware store, as I mentioned, to get a really big plant. We found a really big plant. Actually so large. And I'm wondering if we feel confident to put this in the car. Ooh, yeah. Oh no. On a scale of like 1 to 20, how funny do you think this looks right now?
Oh, okay, wait, it's like bending up here. I think we should wait.
The leaves are pretty robust.
Okay, okay. Wow. Okay.
Wow. Let's tuck these little leaves in. Wow. It's like we're living in a tropical paradise. The next store we're going to is called Portland Market. I actually stumbled across it when we were doing a shoot in this area. It looks like a house. The thing that I love about this store is that they have really drapey plants, which I know sounds strange, but in the city of Toronto, it is so hard to find a string of pearls that is like long and dangly and drapey. And they just have like tons of varieties and cute pots. This is it. Like an actual jungle. Hi. They have a lemon tree. So this is a store that I normally buy all of my plants for shoots from, mostly because they just have such cool varieties of plants. Also because they have really long string of hearts, which is great for a shelf. And then they have so many cute pots as well. It's like a one-stop shop. If you guys are looking for like massive plants, massive floor plants, this is also the place for you, because they have really tall tropical plants. It's like they're painted on. They're so beautiful. Stop to get a quick iced tea. I think it's lavender. Lavender and lemon. I've actually never been in this plant store. I've just driven past it. So we're discovering something new and it looks amazing. so pretty in here. Look at these pots. They also make some of the pots that they sell in here by hand, and they actually make them in the store, which is really cool. That's so neat.
Oh, thank you.
You have beautiful pottery.
Thank you so much.
I mentioned in Portland Market that that's our go-to for drapey string of hearts or string of pearls, but they also have some good ones here too. I think we're adding this on our list of our go-to plant stores. Did not disappoint. Also, their air plant selection is really good. Okay guys, we have one more stop and then we're heading home. I really hope, whoa, that scared me. Looked like there was someone beside me. Oh my God. Yeah, we have one more stop close by, and that's it for all of our favorite plant stores. I hope you guys have enjoyed coming along. My phone's ringing. Let me answer it. Last plant store is Poppy's on Queen Street West. Poppy's is where we get a lot of our like foliage, like eucalyptus. They have just beautiful lush plants. You guys can't see Elena's face, but she's gasping. Those are perfect. Beautiful little orange trees. I think you should get one. They're perfect. So cute. It's a spreadsheet. Hi. Okay guys, so this is Poppy's. We usually get like eucalyptus here. They have beautiful eucalyptus. It's really green and lush. But they also sell houseplants. Cool. That's a very you plant. Okay, that's it for our fun plant day. That was so fun. Thanks so much for following along, guys. Our plant adventure. This background is very fitting because there's like the palm leaf. And as we mentioned, please let Elena and I know what your favorite plant stores are in Toronto. I know that there's so many other ones we could have included, but these are our top like go-tos in the city. And yeah, we would love to learn about your favorite plant stores. So leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to check out our other video in this series, our favorite decor shops around Toronto, and come shop with us for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. You wanna say bye? Bye guys.